Hey everybody, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker ZIM or ZIM Integrated Shipping Services. Got the daily chart pulled up here. You can see on this daily time frame that the 100-day exponential moving average was a nice dynamic support level. You can see some rejection here, here. Almost got down to it here, but was really able to stay above that 100-day EMA for a long time. Then you see an insane dividend paid out here in late March, and you have this move from about $91 all the way down to about $50. So a huge reduction in price there, a big move down, and with that, it did fall below the 100-day EMA. So that's a barrier to the upside right now for sure, but a more key level that I'm seeing here, or something that it needs to get past before that moving average, is around this $61 level. You can see in the past, this thing was resistant several times. So you can see resistance here, and here. And then it finally busted through that level. So that was resistance for a while. Then it finally busted through that, and now it has fallen below that. So before this thing even can challenge the 100-day exponential moving average on this time frame, I want to see it bust through that level there around $61 or so. I think that would be key if it could get above that and close above that. I think it can make a nice move higher. And then to the downside, you can see pretty good rejection here around $51, $52. It doesn't look like it was that key of a level though, where it kind of bounced off of right there. So I kind of want to see if the sellers do crush this thing and this thing kind of dies off and closes below around that $51 level. I think it could come down to somewhere around here, maybe around $44 or so. That looks like maybe more of a key level to the downside because it was an area where it bounced off of the 100-day EMA there. So that $44 level there really lined up with that nicely. And then in the past, you can see a bunch of candles and the price really ramming up against that $44 level here, rejecting it a lot. And then of course it finally broke out above that $44 level on this run right here, and that's where it pulled right back to that $44 level and was able to bounce off of it nicely. So I think, again, to the downside, those are some areas to keep an eye on. Let's see if this thing holds 51. If it starts to move lower again, this thing might head down to retest that 44 level. And then to the upside, again, I think around $61 is pretty key on this time frame. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated here on ticker ZIM. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.